Hello YouTube and welcome to part 2 of Slime Rancher. Okay, so if you didn't see the last episode, I'm going to put a link on the screen so you can see that. And yeah, let's start. Return to ranch. Hopefully, the poos are more expensive. 8, yes! Let's get some poos. I don't think there is any. Oh, our carrots will be done by now. I hope. Are they? Oh wait, do I just suck them up now? Oh, I thought you had to wait that whole time to suck them up. Okay, I get it. This is a lot of carrots. Is it 20? Probably. Oh, it's only 18. That's fine. Where should we go? Are we gonna feed the, these guys? Oh god, they're getting over. No! Don't! Probably put too many in there, so I'll just let those roam. Carrots, I'm feeding you. Ooh! Plots everywhere. Plots for days! I really want to chuck something over here. But I'm not going to. Actually, I'm going to get jetpack so we can explore further later on. How do I... That's the range exchange, that's not the shop, is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, I got confused. I could have done this last episode. Jetpack. Oh, I'm gonna go with the jetpack. Oh, 250. Okay, I can't get that back. I'll sell those poos and then do it. Actually, I might as well save my money up to get the rock slime area. Yeah, that's a better idea. I'm gonna do that. Poos. These are angry poos. Not angry poos, angry slimes, I feel. They've all got sad faces on. Or maybe that's just being sucked up. Probably. Pink slimes. 20 poos, let's go. Oh, they've all escaped, I forgot about that. 8. So that will be money. I think that's 160. Oh yeah, this is good. Okay, now we can buy the other pen. I don't want to put them near the pink ones because the pink ones should jump everywhere. And I don't think I can. Oh, I can. Let's put them here. Hey! No, you're gonna eat my carrots otherwise. Stupid pink slime. E. Coral purchase. Yay! Now we can put the rock slimes in here. Yay! Rock slimes! What does rock slimes like to eat? Let's have a look. Slimes, rock slime, veggies. Ooh, heartbeat, that's what they like. I need to get rid of all these pink slimes around, and then I'm gonna go find some stuff. What was I gonna find? Oh, heartbeat, yeah. I would need to get a jetpack, though, I think. Maybe I'll just go with that. I'm sorry, but I really want to chuck these over. No, I'm just gonna take them back to where they came from. Where did they come from? Oh, also, I'm really sorry if I sound really weird. It's because I got a cold. And I don't sound normal. Oh, I think... No, those are the other ones. Hens, no. Oh, see, there we are. Cat. Oh, no. I don't think there's any cats left. Oh, there is. Kitty cat slimes. Oh, tabby slime. Those stripes that tell that wiggle. That's a good song. I'm gonna make that into a song. Go through. Whoa. Boostro struts his stuff like he's the king of the coop. There's so much happening, I don't know what to do. Tabby slime, mine, my tabby slime. Tabby slime? Oh no, they're all turning into sharp ones. I think there's some tabby slime up here. Yay. What do we want? We want some tabby poos. What was the other one? I swear I just saw another tabby poo. Oh, it's down here. Oh, there we go. Largo. Those are the ones that you want to kill before it's too late, is what I was going to say. Tabby slime! Where's it gone? There. Potion. I need to go and get a jetpack, so I think I'm going to feed... Oh wait, do the no, the rock guys don't eat chickens, do they? They eat veg. Oh well, I'll just get some more chickens and then I'll get a jetpack. Sucky chickens. So there's another... There you are. You can't escape me. I'm the hen catcher. Ow. Ow, ow. Oh, so relaxing. Oh, the music changed. They've not escaped, have they? Good. Tabby plot. Tabby poo, I mean. How much are they? 23, that's a lot. Oh, it's not as much as I thought it would be. I really... Do you think if... No, that will happen, won't it? Which are more expensive, tabby or rock? I think tabby are. I'll just keep the tabbies on me for a while, though. Actually, the rocks are 3 more expensive. I just need more veg. These guys are really annoying, but I don't want to get rid of them just yet, because they're sort of helpful. What we're going to do we need 150 for this thing, so that's 139, 100 and something. This should be good enough. Let's get one more, just for... Better be safe than sorry, is what they always say. 8, yeah. 163, yay, we can buy the jetpack now. Oh, this thing's open now. They want 10 rock slimes and 4 stony hens. For what? There. So look. Thorough West. What's the odds the green all beats all to this one? Is this a shop here? What were we gonna get? Jetpack. Oh, it's 250. Okay, I'm just gonna speed myself up trying to get all this stuff now. If you didn't know already, pink slimes actually can swim really well and they really love it. So that's why I'm chucking them in the sea, because then they get to swim and be happy other than dry out on land. So that's why I'm doing it. I'm not being cruel or anything. Where are all the others? Go join your friends. Hello? Is that all of them? Yay, they all got. Oh, I mean, yay, they all get to be free. Actually, I could have just. No, they get to be with the Little Mermaid. Goodbye. Now, Tabby Slimes, you get your own little pen. Now, number 1. Oh no, we don't want you to eat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that 6? No. We want number 3, because they only eat chicken. Two roosters. Boop, boop. They're gonna have so much fun. Let's sell this one plot. Actually, I'm not gonna speed it up. There's no point. I've spoken too much. Are they pooing? Yeah. It's really weird how the poos are shiny. I've always found that strange. But I guess because we're on an alien planet, the poos are shiny here. Must be the 3 suns that they have. Tabby Slime, could you get back in, please? And eat those chickens! They want to die. Oh, I've got more. Thank you. 5 tabby poos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay. 286. Yay. But I actually think it's gonna be nighttime. So this has sort of been a productive episode. We're just gonna get this jetpack, but we'll probably go exploring next episode. I'll try and update these videos regularly as well, so there won't be a long time without them. Eat the chickens, please. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye. Oh no, the cat poos are out. No, not the cat poos, the cats. Bye, cats.